Okay, in today's video, we're going to be looking at similar shapes, but we're going to be focusing on the area. So before we start, you've got Visit and Learning. Tell me what the area is here, and then I want you to find the missing side and the area. So you need area plus missing side. Same here. You need to find what y is and the area. So I'll give you answers for that after. So here's a model. So I'm telling you here that we've got the area and the missing side. So we can see here, we can see the shape on the right. It goes up, they're both similar, and it goes up by a scale factor of 2. And what happens here, when we have similar shapes, well, the area goes up by whatever the scale factor is. I'm going to call this k. So whatever k is, k equals 2. The area goes up by a scale factor of k squared. So here it's going to be k squared equals 4. And we can see here 16 centimeters squared times 4 equals 64 centimeters squared. So the area here is 4 times this area here. And that's what we'll be looking for today. So I have realized I have cut that off a little bit there. So there you are. So let me have a look at this. Here's a question here. Now I can see that this triangle is twice as big. 2 times 2 is 4, meaning x is going to equal 20 centimeters. Well, I know the area of this triangle is half times base times height. So half times 2 times 10 equals 10 centimeters squared. Well, if it's 2 times as big, the area is going to be 2 squared times as big, which is 4. So this area here has to be 40 centimeters squared, because it has to be 4 times as big as this area here. And that's what we're looking for there. Okay. Practice questions. Can you find for me the area of this rectangle? Put it here. And then I want you to find for me how much bigger is this shape here. So 7 times what? And therefore, how can I quickly find the area? And then you can also find missing x. Same thing here. You've got 2 questions here. Have a go at. And then another model. So I'm telling you the area here. I've already told you that it's 16 centimeters squared. Well, I can see 10 times what? Well, our k value, what's the multiplier? Equals 2. So k squared equals 4. So this area has to be 4 times as big as 16 centimeters squared. So therefore it's 64 centimeters squared. Another model. Well, this triangle is 3 times as big, meaning that my area has to be 9 times as big. Must be 9 times as big as 100. So the area is going to equal 900 centimeters squared. You can see that here. We don't even need to know what the height is here. So copy that down. Okay. Next, you've got 3 practice questions. My apologies. Same thing with the circles. Have a go at them. It's just finding out how much bigger it is, and then square that, and then that's how much bigger the area is. Okay? And then last but not least, you've got an application. I'm probably going to give you a few more. I'm probably going to give you out of 20 for this one. Let's see how you do. So, as always, any support, I'm here to help, and let's go on with the lesson.